Good morning, I'm Mike Sarowski with Schulte Industries, the Saskatchewan Territory Manager. I'm here today with one of our new products in our rock removal lineup, the Spartan RWP-1935. So the numbering stands for 19 feet of picking width and 3.5 cubic yard bucket on the rock picker. This machine has a separate system, hydraulic, PTO driven pump system to operate the windrowers, which are gathering the rocks in, delivering them to the rock picker that is attached to the back of this system. This machine is a one-pass unit, replacing 2 operators, 2 tractors, and the need to fuel both machines. This rock picker incorporates a dual wheel tandem walking axle with large flotation tires to support the weight of the unit, as well as a high dump rock bucket to incorporate a rock wagon into your operation to remove debris and rock from your fields. If you're needing more information on this unit, please talk to your local Flaman dealer.